Are you struggling with acne, dark spots, or dull skin? So I'm going to show you how to use two wonderful ingredients that you can find in your kitchen to make a face pack that will help to lighten dark spots and also nourish your skin. So to make this simple face pack, we are going to be making use of nutmeg. Nutmeg are packed with antioxidant, antibacterial properties which will help to fight acne, lighten blemishes and also nourish your skin. So we are going to be making use of honey. Honey will help to hydrate and brighten your skin and also help to fade any dark spots or blemishes. So in a small bowl, combine all the ingredients, mix until you get a smooth paste. Ingredient I'll be adding is a pinch of turmeric. This is optional. So you need to apply this on a clean wash face using your hand or brush. Make sure that you apply this evenly on your face, avoid the eye area. Leave it to sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes or more, rinse with warm water and pan dry. I hope that you will try this simple nutmeg and honey face pack and let me know in the comment section how your skin feels.